So in the previous lecture, we have started with back bonding. And back bonding के केस में 2p pi 2p pi will be more effective when compared to 2p pi 3d pi when compared to 2p pi and 3p pi. If the size of the orbitals vary, वो जो overlap का extent जो रहेगा, it will be poor. As a result, the back bonding will also be poor. इन दोनों के बीच में orbitals का size के difference ज़्यादा है. As a result, back bonding will be poor or the sidewise overlap will be poor. अभी 3dxy और 2px जो भी रहेगा, so these orbitals are oriented towards the 2p orbital. As a result, there can be significant overlap. अभी ये 2py दोनों का साइजेस सेम होने की वजह से there will be good extent of overlap. Okay, हमने एग्जांपल्स देखा BF3, BCl3, BPr3, BI3. In BF3 you have 2p pi 2p pi overlap. In BCl3 you have 2p pi 3p pi. So in this case, the back bonding will be less significant when compared to BF3. BPr3 में और less significant होगा, BI3 में सबसे least होगा. So ये जो BI3 है, it can accept a lone pair of electrons easily from the external reagent. BF3 can also accept lone pair of electrons, but relatively, इन दोनों के comparison में BI3 will be accepting at a faster rate or more easily when compared to BF3. क्योंकि BF3 में already back bonding के वजह से थोड़ा उसका lone pair थोड़ा इसका अनपेड ऑर्बिटल जो भी है और वेकेंट ऑर्बिटल जो भी है वो पार्शियली फिल हो चुका है. एज ए रिजल्ट उसका लुईस एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाएगा. सो द ऑर्डर ऑफ लुईस एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ इज Bi3 ग्रेटर देन BPr3 ग्रेटर देन BCl3 ग्रेटर देन BF3. उसके बाद हम बॉन्ड एंगल्स के केस में भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस किया. In this case, the expected bond angle is H2O must be greater than Cl2O greater than F2O, but actual bond angle becomes Cl2O greater than H2O greater than F2O, because in Cl2O there is back bonding. Because of back bonding, the hybridization becomes between sp2 and sp3. Okay, अगर ये रहा तो sp2 है. If there is no back bonding, it is sp3. So combination of these two will give you a hybridization between sp2 and sp3. Okay. अभी उसके बाद हमने there can be an complex formation in trimethyl dimethyl ether and BF3, but there is no complex formation between diacylyl ether and BF3 क्योंकि इसमें वो जो lone pair है it has participated in back bonding, so that lone pair is not completely available. As a result, the oxygen is not or unable to give its lone pair in coordinate covalent bond to BF3, so there is no formation of any complex. One more most important example which involves back bonding is borazine or borazole, which is also called as inorganic benzene. Formula is B3N3H6. Okay, so ये जो borazine और borazole है, this can also be treated as aromatic. ये जो benzene है, it is called as an aromatic compound. So borazine या borazole ये भी aromatic compound बोल सकते हैं because it is depicting the structure of benzene. Okay. Lewis basic strength और जो lone pair available रहा तो then particular compound can act as Lewis base. If the lone pair is not available, if it is participating in back bonding with some other atom, in that case it is not available on nitrogen. So Lewis basic strength घट जाएगा. इस केस में acidic strength कैसे compare किया? An acid is one which give you more and more amount of H positive. If it is giving you more and more amount of H positive, इसका मतलब the negatively charged species which is formed after giving away the H positive, that must be stable. If it is not stable, it will combine back with H positive and it will decrease the amount of H positive present in the system. So इनके negative charge के stabilities को हमको compare करना पड़ेगा whenever you are comparing the strength of the acid. So out of these two species, ये वाला species ज़्यादा stable होगा because this negative charge can be distributed in the vacant d orbitals of silicon. In this case, the negative charge cannot be distributed into the orbitals of carbon because all the orbitals of carbon are filled, completely filled. You don't have any empty orbital. So इस केस में वैसे back bonding नहीं हो सकता है. इस केस में back bonding होगा because of which this particular species is more acidic when compared to this. Okay. We can also explain ये example बहुत important है, chloroform most commonly used question or asked question. CHCl3 is more acidic when compared to CHF3. Again the reason is back bonding. इसके बाद हम bridge bonding करके कुछ start किया. ये जो बोरेन है it exists as a dimer B2H6. Borane is BH3, diborane is B2H6. Diborane exists as a dimer. इस केस में होगा क्या? अब ये जो BH3 है it will be ऐसा कुछ विजुअलाइज करेंगे हम. This B bond hydrogen it is given to boron. As a result it is converting into BH4 minus. Similarly ये जो BH3 है this is giving its B bond hydrogen to this boron. In the process this is converting into BH4 minus. So at any moment one exists as BH4 minus and the other exists as BH2 positive. Okay, but actual में हो क्या रहा है? This particular bond, this bond is made up of 2 electrons. These 2 electrons are distributed among these 3 atoms, boron, hydrogen and boron, or it is called as 3 center. boron का एक center, hydrogen का एक center, boron का तीसरा center. So it is 3 center 2 electron bond. Electrons are nothing but cloud. Okay, so ये जो cloud है it will be distributed in this region. बीच में एक hydrogen atom है. So this bond also appears as a banana, hence it is also called as banana bond or bent bond. And the nature of the bond is 3 center 2 electron bond. So how many 3 center 2 electron bonds are present?
2.
You have 2 3 center 2 electron bond. और एक important question आता है, how many hydrogens out of these how many hydrogens are present? 6 hydrogens ना. ये 6 hydrogens में कितने hydrogens same plane में रहेगा? How many hydrogens belong to the same plane? बताओ.
2.
2.
Okay, ये 2 hydrogens एक plane में है. So maximum hydrogens belonging to the same plane are 4. ये जो 4 hydrogens है ना, these 4 hydrogens belong to the same plane. These 2 hydrogens are present in this plane of paper and these 4 hydrogens are present perpendicular. और perpendicular plane जो भी draw करेंगे उस plane में ये 4 है. One is going into the plane, one is going out of this plane, and this is going into the plane, this is coming out of this plane. वो 4 bonds जो है, if you are passing a plane perpendicular to this plane of paper, उस plane में वो 4 bonds है. So these 4 bonds are in one plane and these 2 hydrogens are in one plane. Okay?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
इधर एक पॉइंट लिख रहा हूँ. Both bridge hydrogens are in one plane. Remaining 4 hydrogens are in perpendicular plane. Okay, ठीक है. Let us see some. Yeah, tell me.
वो बोरॉन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन यहाँ पे sp3 कैसे आया? मतलब 4 बॉन्ड एटम्स के होने से ऐसे आया क्या?
Exactly.
हाँ.
Boron is making 4 bonds. 4 bonds के लिए best possible geometry क्या होगा? It will be tetrahedral.
टेट्राहेड्रल.
Okay, tetrahedral से ज़्यादा stability मिलता है because of the bond angle.
हाँ सर.
Okay, ठीक है. Other cases of bridge bonding. Example BH2. ये जो BH2 है, it exists in 2 different forms. One is a polymer and the other is dimer. Dimer मतलब 2 molecules attach होके you will be forming dimer. पॉलीमर मतलब many molecules will combine among themselves to form a polymer. तो पॉलीमर एग्जैक्टली कैसे बनेगा देखते हैं. ओके अगेन बेरिलियम के आउटरमोस्ट शेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितना है अभी आफ्टर बॉन्डिंग. Before bonding, it has 2 electrons. Those 2 electrons have participated in bonding. Because of that, you now have 4 electrons in the outermost shell of beryllium. So further, उसको कितना electrons चाहिए? You require 4 more electrons. Okay. So इसमें pseudo stability कैसे मिलेगा? ऐसा देखो, ये जो bond है, ये break होके इसको दे दो, and इस bond को break करके इसको दे दो. Okay. उसी टाइम पे क्या होगा फिर से आई एम ब्रेकिंग दिस बॉन्ड आई एम गिविंग इट टू दिस ये वाला बॉन्ड इसको दे रहा हूँ सिमिलरली ये बॉन्ड इसको दे रहा हूँ सो ऑन सो फोर्थ. Again these two electrons will be present between these two beryllium or these two electrons will be controlled by these 3 nuclei. So you again will form a 3 center 2 electron bond. ओके इसको रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं सो दिस इज अ पॉलीमर आगे बढ़ेगा ये ऐसे बढ़ेगा सो वी विल रिप्रेजेंट दिस एज अगेन द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन इज बिकमिंग sp3 बिकॉज ईच बोरॉन इज फॉर्मिंग हाउ मेनी बॉन्ड्स 1 2 इसके साथ एक बॉन्ड बनाया इसके साथ एक बॉन्ड बनाया 4 बॉन्ड्स हो रहे हैं ओके सो ईच बेरिलियम इज कन्वर्टिंग इट्स हाइब्रिडाइजेशन फ्रॉम sp to sp3 ओके sp से BH2 है तो sp रहेगा ओके so in the polymer it is converting into sp3 hybridization. sp3 मतलब 2 bonds will be present in one plane and बचा हुआ 2 bonds one will be going into the plane and another bond will be coming out of the plane. हाइड्रोजन ये जो हाइड्रोजन है it will be shared by another beryllium in the bridge bond. again यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन and ये जो हाइड्रोजन है this is also shared by another beryllium. This is also shared by beryllium. यहाँ पे फिर से हाइड्रोजन समझ में आया ये कैसे ड्रॉ किया मैंने so on so forth वो कंटिन्यू होता जाएगा यहाँ पे फिर से बेरिलियम हाइड्रोजन ये इस साइड कंटिन्यू होता जाएगा ओके इज दिस क्लियर
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the hybridization of the beryllium in the polymer of BeH2? If they ask what is the hybridization of the beryllium in the polymer of BeH2, you need to write that as sp3 because it is forming 4 bonds. And what is the nature of these bonds?
3 center 2 electron bonds.
Again, these are treated as bridge hydrogens. वो भी बनाना बॉन्ड ही रहेगा, बेंट बॉन्ड जैसा ही होगा. And this is 3 center
2
2
electron
electron
bonds.
bond. Okay, ये जो BeH2 है इसका डाइमर भी एग्जिस्ट होता है. डाइमर whose formula will be Be2H4. BeH2 is a linear molecule, इसलिए मैं ऐसे शो किया. ये इसके साथ ब्रिज बॉन्ड, ये इसके साथ. Okay, so you are forming something like this: beryllium hydrogen, which is the bridge hydrogen, beryllium, another bridge hydrogen, बचा हुआ 2 hydrogens. Okay, what is the hybridization of the beryllium in the dimer?
sp2.
It is sp2, which is trigonal planar, इसलिए trigonal planar geometry draw किया इधर. Okay, and what is the nature of these bonds again? These are bridge
3 center
hydrogens.
2 electron bonds.
It is 3 center
2 electrons.
2 electron bond. And Be2H4 is a planar molecule. This is planar because you have sp2 sp2. Trigonal planar. If you are taking BeH2 polymer, will it be a planar molecule or a non-planar molecule?
Non-planar.
Okay, जो polymer है, it is non-planar because these bonds are in one plane, these bonds are in one plane. Okay, next example. BeCl2.
एक मिनट और समझाइए ना, वो प्लेनर और नॉन प्लेनर कैसे देखें.
प्लेनर और नॉन प्लेनर के लिए आपको सारे एटम्स सेम प्लेन में रहा तो इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज प्लेनर. इन दिस केस beryllium being sp3 hybridized, it is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral is a geometry in 3 dimensions. Okay, so ye hydrogen, these are present perpendicular to the plane and these 2 hydrogens are present in the plane. ये हाइड्रोजन्स प्लेन में है, ये हाइड्रोजन्स परपेंडिकुलर प्लेन में है, परपेंडिकुलर प्लेन में है. सो ऐसा दोनों उल्टा होते जा रहे हैं ना. ये these are in the plane, these are out of the plane, in the plane, out of the plane. Okay, so overall BeH2 polymer will be non-planar, but BeH2 dimer, which is Be2H4, it is a planar molecule because it is sp2 hybridized. All the atoms will be in the same plane, trigonal planar geometry. Okay, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट BeCl2 के केस में इस केस में जो बॉन्डिंग होगा थोड़ा डिफरेंटली होगा, बट नेचर जो है अभी हमने देखा है ना वैसा ही रहेगा. ब्रिज बॉन्ड ही होगा, but in the bridge bond the electrons which are getting contributed are the lone pairs on the chlorine. So in each chlorine or on each chlorine you have 3 lone pairs. The electrons of the lone pair will be given in the bridge bond. मतलब ये जो lone pair electrons है, these electrons I am giving, I am not giving the bond pair electrons to beryllium. Similarly ये जो electrons है, give those electrons to beryllium. ये electrons इसको दो, ये electrons beryllium को. Okay, in any case the beryllium is forming 4 bonds. If beryllium is forming 4 bonds, what will be the hybridization of beryllium?
sp3.
sp2.
Okay, so it will convert into sp3. बेरिलियम, यहाँ पे क्लोरीन होगा, यहाँ पे और एक क्लोरीन होगा. That chlorine atom is acting like a bridge. But in this case, what will be the nature of the bond? Anyone? इस केस में जो बॉन्ड का नेचर होगा, what will be the nature of the bond?
2 center 2
2
electron bond.
center 2 electron bond.
Any other answer? Any other answer other than 2 center 2 electron bond? No? It is not 2 center 2 electron bond. The nature of the bond is 3 center 4 electron bond. It is 3 center 4 electron bond. ये एक सेंटर है, ये एक सेंटर है, ये एक सेंटर है, ये लोन पेयर इसको दे दिया. सो ये सारा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो है अपने आप में कंबाइन होके इट विल बी फॉर्मिंग ए 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड. ये वाला बॉन्ड का और ये वाला बॉन्ड का ये जो ब्रिज है ना, ब्रिज क्लोरीन जो है, I am referring to this entire bond. This entire thing acts as one cloud. Okay, the entire thing acts as one cloud, and the nature of the bond is जो ब्रिज क्लोरीन जो भी बना रहे बॉन्ड, it is called as 3 center 4 electron bond. I am not referring to क्योंकि इस पर्टिकुलर रिप्रेजेंटेशन में किसके साथ कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बना है वो तो है नहीं ना. So we will be considering this entire thing as one bond. Okay. So इस पर्टिकुलर बॉन्ड का नेचर क्या है? It is having 3 centers, and among those 3 centers you are distributing 4 electrons. 2 electrons are of bond pair between B and Cl, and 2 electrons are of lone pair of chlorine. Okay.
सर 3 सेंटर कौन से?
3 सेंटर कौन से है? बेरिलियम का एक, क्लोरीन का एक, बेरिलियम का और एक. ओके
सर एक बार फिर से.
यस सर, फिर से.
वो जो ब्रिज है, एवरीवन कंसंट्रेट. दिस ब्रिज क्लोरीन, it is having a bond pair with the beryllium, and it is having a coordinate bond with another beryllium. So ये जो bond में 2 electrons, इस bond में जो 2 electrons है, all these 4 electrons will be forming only one cloud. Okay, बीच में chlorine रहेगा. That particular cloud will be distributed between these 2 beryllium. Okay, so those cloud of electrons will be influenced by the nuclei of this beryllium, this chlorine, and this beryllium. Hence, the nature of bond is called as 3 center 4 electron bond. Is 4 electrons में 2 electrons are of bond pair and 2 electrons are of lone pair. Okay, ये भी 3 center 4 electron bond, 3 center 4 electron bond. Concept क्या है इसमें? 2 chlorine atoms are acting as bridges. ये 2 बेरिलियम के बीच में ब्रिज जैसा एक्ट कर रहे हैं. Hence it is called as bridge bond और banana bond. आया समझ में? Again, is this a planar molecule or a non-planar molecule?
Non-planar.
Non-planar.
Non-planar. किसी को अभी भी कुछ डाउट है इसमें? These are special cases of bonding. BeCl2 exists as a polymer, and वो polymer में bonding explain करना चाहिए ना? All the molecules, if they are linked to each other, you need to explain the bonding. So you are having a bridge bond inside it. Next, AlCl3. ये जो AlCl3 है, it exists as a dimer. AlCl3 exists as dimer, whose formula is Al2Cl6. AlCl3, it is trigonal planar molecule. Cl, Cl, Cl. Cl, Cl, Cl. अभी इसमें भी क्या होगा? इसके ऊपर जो लोन पेयर है, इसके ऊपर जो लोन पेयर है, these will be given into empty orbitals of aluminum. Initially, what is the hybridization? AlCl3 monomer में hybridization क्या था?
sp2.
sp2.
sp2. Okay. After formation of dimer, it is converting into
sp3.
sp3.
sp3. So यहाँ पे Cl. Again, what is the nature of the bond? वो जो bridge bond का nature क्या है?
3 center 3 electron.
3 center 4 electron.
4 electron.
Cl. Okay. Three center 4 electron bond. एक bridge chlorine, एक bridge chlorine. Is it planar, non-planar? Al2Cl6?
Non-planar.
Non-planar.
Non-planar. Good. Last example of bridge bonding, important for JEE Advanced. Everyone, JEE Advanced students, please concentrate. I2Cl6. And I2Cl6, it is also a dimer of ICl3. Okay. मतलब ICl3 is the monomer unit of I2Cl6. Tell me the hybridization of iodine in ICl3. Hybridization of iodine in ICl3.
sp3d.
sp3d.
Very good. You have 7 electrons. Out of those 7 electrons, 3 electrons are participating in bonding. 4 electrons are left. 2 lone pairs and 3 side atoms. Total are 5. So S का 1, P का 3, D का 1. sp3d में you have 3 bond pairs plus 2 lone pairs. So the shape will be
T-shape.
very good. इसलिए T shape में draw किया उधर. Okay. The shape is T shape with 2 lone pairs. Okay. अभी इसमें please try to visualize ये जो T shape में can I take these 3 bond pairs in one plane? Can I pass a plane such that these 3 bond pairs lie in that particular plane? ये दोनों plane के perpendicular में रहेंगे. ये एक bond है ना. I am passing a plane. Suppose ये जो plane of this है उसी से pass हो रहा है. These 3 bonds I am taking in one plane. These lone pairs are present. One of the lone pair is going into the plane and one of the lone pair is coming out of the plane. Okay. बोल सकता हूँ मैं ऐसा?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So I am taking two ICl3 molecules which are having T shape. आइए किधर? क्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, यहाँ पे क्लोरीन. So this is a T shape. आयोडीन, यहाँ पे एक क्लोरीन, यहाँ पे एक क्लोरीन. ये एक टी शेप हुआ, दो टी शेप्स. ओके, यू आर हैविंग वन लोन पेयर coming towards you or coming out of the plane. ये एक लोन पेयर है and another lone pair going into the plane. Okay, यहाँ पे एक लोन पेयर है. Similarly, इस साइड के लिए भी there is one lone pair which is going into the plane and one lone pair which is coming out of the plane. No need to mention these lone pairs, but आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. Again, the lone pairs which are present on the chlorine, the lone pairs which are present on the chlorine will be given into empty orbitals of iodine. sp3d मतलब और 4 d orbitals तो है ही है ना उसके अंदर. Okay, so that particular lone pair will be given into empty orbitals of iodine. अभी iodine को bond pairs कितना हो रहा है?
4.
4.
Bond pairs 4 और 2 lone pairs. Initially क्या है? It has 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. अभी ये इसके साथ bond बनने के वजह से number of bond pairs are 4. 4 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs का केस होता क्या है?
octahedral.
ऑक्टाहेड्रल में सारे 4 सेम प्लेन में रहेंगे, सारे बॉन्ड पेयर्स. तो जो I2Cl6 है, आयोडीन, क्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, यहाँ पे क्लोरीन, आयोडीन, यहाँ पे क्लोरीन, यहाँ पे क्लोरीन. ओके, एंड यू आर हैविंग 2 लोन पेयर्स. एक्चुअल में रहेंगे. As they are not part of the plane, I am using this type of representation. Okay. So is I2Cl6 a planar molecule or a non-planar molecule? These are bridge chlorines. Okay. The nature of the bond is again 3 center,
4 electron.
4 electron bond. With respect to this is square planar. With respect to this is square planar. So overall, this will be a planar molecule.
Planar molecule.
I2Cl6 is a planar molecule. Very important for JEE Advanced. Clear? But Al2Cl6 जो है, it is non-planar. Observe करो. And इसमें what is the hybridization of iodine? It is
sp3d2.
sp3d2. It has changed from sp3d to sp3d2. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Last part of the chapter, an introduction to metallic bond. We will see how to visualize a metallic bond बस एक पॉइंट लिखेंगे इसमें, डोंट वरी। ये जो मेटेलिक बॉन्ड है, an ionic bond is formed between an electropositive element and an electronegative element. A covalent bond is formed between two electronegative elements. ये जो मेटेलिक बॉन्ड है, it will be formed between
Two electropositive.
Electropositive.
Yes.
okay two electropositive elements. Okay, and to explain this, there is a model called electron C model. Electron C model. In this, we will be treating the atom as two parts. One is positively charged kernel, जो already हम Lewis dot structure में देखा. What is meant by kernel? Kernel is nothing but nucleus along with inertial electrons. If you are removing one of the shell, the electrons will be less in number when compared to the number of protons. So hence the kernel is positively charged along with valential electrons. Okay, an atom is made up of two parts. One is positively charged kernel as well as valence electrons. So इसको suppose let us take this as some metal sheet. इसके अंदर you have regular arrangement of positively charged kernels, hence this is called as metallic crystal or metallic lattice. Lattice is nothing but regular arrangement of species. Okay, all these are kernels. For the metals, the ionization energy is very less, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, होता क्या है? The kernels of the metal atoms occupy lattice sites. These are called as lattice sites. And the space between the kernels is occupied by the valence electrons. And these valence electrons, as their ionization energies are very less, they are free to move. So all the valence electrons will form like a C, or else we call sea of electrons. Those sea of electrons are influenced by all these positively charged kernels. So the attraction between the sea of electrons and the positively charged kernels is treated as metallic bond. Okay. So electrons जो है, the electrons will be present between the spaces and they are free to move because of the low ionization energies of metals. So ये जो है metal crystal lattice, these are, or this is treated as electron C. Which has mobile electrons which are free to move. Okay. Metallic bonding में होता क्या है? Kernel of metal atoms occupy the lattice sites and the space between the kernels is occupied by valence electrons. since ionization energy of metals is low, they leave the kernel and move inside the kernel lattice. Okay. So I can say, so all the electrons are not localized. Localized ka matlab, they are concentrated at a specific point or in a specific region. They are not localized but mobile. They are free to move. The simultaneous attraction between the kernels and mobile electrons is called as metallic bond. Is called as metallic bond. Okay. So this is the end of chemical bonding chapter. Done.